Welcome to the Weather Center. Let's check on what the weather has in store for the rest of your Wednesday. On our latest satellite picture, we are looking at this cold front, which is about to leave our shores, but it's still affecting KwaZulu-Natal. Then further west, we have this massive band of cloud, which has been brought about by a developing cold front and a cut-off low, introducing stormy weather across the eastern parts of the Northern Cape and much of the Eastern Cape interior. So it's going to stay unsettled tonight for the eastern areas of the Northern Cape as well as much of the Eastern Cape. Light rain is forecast for the Western Cape. It's going to be pretty wet across KwaZulu-Natal. Drizzle is expected along the Mpumalanga and Limpopo escarpments. Then on Thursday, we are going to see three cold fronts sweeping across South Africa, giving us rainy and stormy weather all the way from the west coast into eastern South Africa, where thunderstorms should arrive in the evening across the northwest parts of Gauteng as well as Mpumalanga. Scattered thunderstorms are forecasted tonight for the eastern parts of the Northern Cape and much of the Eastern Cape. Up to a 60% chance of rain is expected for the southeastern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, and we're expecting up to a 40% chance of precipitation where you see the lighter shades of blue. A warning for heavy rain has been issued along the Eastern Cape coastal areas. We also have a watch in place for severe thunderstorms across the northwestern areas of the Eastern Cape. Fresh to moderate winds are forecasted tonight across much of the interior. Strong winds should persist along the Eastern Cape coastal areas, blowing from a northeasterly direction. Then on Thursday, we are expecting a southwesterly airflow to set in along the south coast and the southern parts of the country. Northerlies for the central and eastern sections, and a northeasterly breeze is forecast along the KwaZulu-Natal coast. Overnight temperatures are going to stay below 10 degrees across much of the interior. Very cold for Sutherland, dropping to around 1 degree. 10 for the minimums in Vredendal and Cape Town, a bit warmer as we go towards Port Elizabeth, Bishop and East London. Durban and Richards Bay would drop to around 15, 6 for the minimum in Johannesburg and 8 in Pretoria. On Thursday afternoon, we are expecting a fairly warm day for KwaZulu-Natal. Highs will lie mostly in the lower to mid-20s. Similar temperatures for Mbombela and Polokwane. It's going to be mild in Gauteng, Pretoria, 19, 17 in Johannesburg, as well as Mahikeng. It's going to be cooler for the central and western sections. Cape Town will peak at just 13 degrees. Thunder showers are forecast on Friday in Gauteng, as well as over central South Africa. It's going to stay wet over the western and southeastern sections. Then a pretty wet Saturday is forecast for the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. It's going to stay stormy over the northeast.